Green tea. Sip, savor, stay healthy. What is green tea? Green tea is a type of tea made from unoxidized leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. It's one of the least processed types of tea and therefore retains the most antioxidants and beneficial polyphenols. Did you know that a simple cup of tea could be your gateway to a healthier, more vibrant you? Let's explore the amazing world of green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, especially EGCG. These powerful compounds fight free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and promoting overall well-being. Think of it as a shield for your body. Need a mental boost? Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus. It works synergistically with caffeine to enhance cognitive function without the jitters. Stay sharp and productive. Studies suggest that regular green tea consumption can support cardiovascular health. It may help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood flow. A simple cup can make a big difference for your heart. Green tea can be a valuable addition to your weight management journey. It may help boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Combine it with a healthy diet and exercise for optimal results. Green tea is produced by plucking young tea leaves, then withering, steaming, or pan-firing to prevent oxidation, rolling to shape, drying to preserve, and finally sorting and packing the leaves. Start incorporating green tea into your daily routine and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Here are some key things to note about green tea. Not ideal on an empty stomach, may cause nausea. Too much can cause insomnia due to caffeine. Too much cups daily may cause headaches and liver strain in rare cases.